All right, guys, we're doing Neil Diamond today. Holly Holy, the 49th hard request on the 2018 list. Moving right along, take a listen to this. Holly Holy, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Well over 5,000 lessons that I've done over the past 12 years. Been teaching for over 30 years, so it's surely a lifetime of music on my website for you guys. But it does work on all mobile devices, your phones, your tablets, what have you. And there's a wide variety of music, and whatever you're into, I'm sure you can find it from the wealth of lessons I have on there. But let's get going here with this part 1. This is a kind of a piano cover version that'll have melody in the right hand that you can also sing with, so it's really fun. And Neil has one of those voices that's not too high, so it's in that range where most guys can sing it, so a lot of fun to do. We got this little intro. I have on my keyboard layered a grand piano and vibraphone sound. Kind of layered, kind of sounds neat, so I'm using that. But I'm trying to capture the heart and essence of the song in this arrangement. So let's get started. B and E on the right hand. Okay, left hand E, B, E. All right, so you play that 1. Notice that open 5th. There's no G sharp in there because that fills it out. We want that open, raw 5th kind of sound. This kind of sounds like an old Western or something almost, that open 5th. But 1, 2, count 3 will be B octave in the left hand. Then the right hand will finish with B, D with 1 and 2, and then B, E with 1 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and next measure 1, 2, 3, 4. I have those little staccatos there. That's the guitar just kind of cutting off the strings like that. So we do that 2 times. See the bracketed 2 for the 2 measures there. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. Don't rush. 1, 2. Then you start singing Holly Holy. So we have B, E, G sharp in the right. All right, and then the left hand has E, B, E. 5, 2, 1. Count 2 will be that kind of cut off with the thumb. That's staccato. 1, 2. Then left hand goes to B. Right hand B, F sharp. I'll use 1 and 3. Then the left hand B. Right hand C sharp, E, A. Because we're anticipating that next chord, the A chord on the next measure. A, A. Then an A, E, A. And that's pretty low to have an octave in a 5th, but I think it sounds good in this arrangement. Then we have C sharp, E, G sharp. Then we'll go to an E chord after that. But here it's Holly Holy. All right. So it's together, left, right, left. I said it wrong. Together, left, left, right, left, right, left. All right. So from the very beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Holly Holy. All right, there we go. There's our part 1. Just kind of give you a taste of how the arrangement goes there. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1. I'll see you on webpianoteacher.com, and we'll finish the whole thing.